Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to preview in Adobe After Effects without lag. I'll show you a few simple methods to improve your playback performance. Let's get started. First, we'll section off the composition to the part you want to play. To do this, press N on your keyboard to set the end point of your work area. This limits the preview to only the area you're interested in, which can help it play more smoothly. You'll notice a green bar at the top of the timeline. When this bar is fully green, it means the section is catched and should play smoothly. If the bar is blue, it has some memory of it, but might still be a bit slow. If there's no bar, playback will be very slow. Another method is to lower the resolution of your preview. In the Preview panel, you'll see an option for resolution. Select anything lower than full. Options like third or quarter can significantly improve playback performance. You can also pre-compose your composition. To do this, select the layers you want to pre-compose, right-click and choose Pre-compose. Make sure to select Move all attributes into the new composition. This doesn't always help, but it's a useful option to try. Another method is to run your playhead across the timeline. Simply click and drag the playhead over the section you want to preview. As you do this, the area will start to turn green, indicating that it's being catched. This method can be slow and requires patience, but it can help in some cases. And finally, sometimes you just need to wait it out. After Effects might take a bit of time to catch the frames, so letting it sit for a moment can allow it to catch up. That's it for this tutorial on how to preview in Adobe After Effects without lag. I hope you found these tips helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.